Welcome back to 9Checks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log and manage a maintenance issue using the 9Checks app. Let's get started. As a tenant, when something is wrong at the property, the first step is to navigate to the tickets section. Once you are there, click on Add New. You will now land on the ticket creation page. The first thing you need to do is enter the subject of the issue. For example, we can say, leaking tap in the kitchen. Next, add a description of the issue. You can include details such as when the problem started and any additional information that may help the landlord understand the issue better. After that, attach pictures or screenshots of the problem. You can upload more than one image to provide better context. Once everything has been completed, click on Send to Landlord. Your maintenance ticket will now be created successfully. When you open the ticket, you will be able to view its status. At this stage, the ticket is marked as open. Now, let's switch over to the Landlord portal to see how the landlord receives the ticket. As you can see, under the maintenance section, the landlord receives a notification for the new issue. When the landlord clicks on it, they can view all open and in-progress tickets. Open and in-progress tickets are automatically counted and displayed here for easy tracking. We are now going to open the ticket we just created. The landlord can review the issue details and, once satisfied, acknowledge the ticket. Acknowledging the ticket means the landlord is aware of the issue and has started taking action, whether by arranging repairs or handling it personally. Now let's switch back to the tenant portal. As you can see, the tenant receives a notification confirming that the ticket has been acknowledged. Once the issue has been resolved and the tenant is satisfied with the repairs, the tenant can proceed to close the ticket. The tenant can add a comment confirming that the issue has been fixed and may also upload additional pictures if needed. Next, the tenant signs the ticket. You can either draw a new signature or use a saved signature. Once submitted, the ticket status changes to awaiting landlord confirmation. Now let's return to the landlord portal. On the landlord side, the ticket will now show as pending signature. The landlord can review the tenant's comments and confirmation details. Once satisfied, the landlord can confirm and sign the ticket as well. Again, the landlord can either draw a new signature or use a saved signature. Once both parties have signed, the ticket status changes to closed. The issue has now been fully resolved and recorded in the system. And that's how you log and manage a maintenance ticket in 9Checks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.